Tesla's upcoming aluminum-ion battery pack is reportedly targeting a price of just $1,999, and this isn't some futuristic concept. According to reports, production is already underway in Nevada. The same battery chemistry many experts believed wouldn't become commercially viable until 2030 is now allegedly being produced at a rate of 100,000 units per month, with plans to scale to 500,000 monthly units within a year. The big question is, how did Tesla compress what was expected to be a 5-year development process into a functioning manufacturing reality while competitors are still focused on lithium-based strategies? Even more importantly, why is this forcing the rest of the auto industry to rethink its long-term plans? Inside Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory sits a 120,000 square foot production facility, operating far ahead of what most battery analysts predicted less than 2 years ago. This isn't a small experimental setup. It's described as a full-scale manufacturing operation capable of producing aluminum-ion battery units at industrial volume. Chapter 2. Nevada Gigafactory's Secret 100K Units Month. The production systems are already active, supply agreements are secured, and logistics channels are in place. What stands out isn't only the pace, it's the technology Tesla is reportedly using. Industry experts claim these manufacturing methods wouldn't be commercially practical until around 2030. Yet Tesla appears to have brought them into operation years earlier. One major innovation is the dual-phase gigacasting system, which combines aluminum and steel components within a single casting cycle. This reportedly removes 43 weld points while improving structural strength by 18%. The benefits are significant: fewer weak points, faster production, and better safety performance, all achieved through a process that once required several separate manufacturing stages. Another key breakthrough involves Tesla's real-time viscosity modulation system. This technology allows molten metal flow to automatically adjust during casting using thermal feedback. Instead of stopping production to correct temperature inconsistencies, the system self-corrects while operating. Many engineers previously considered this possible only in theory and unrealistic for practical manufacturing before 2030. Tesla reportedly turned it into a standard process in 2025. The company also introduced embedded wiring technology, printing ultra-thin internal wiring directly onto gigacast during the molding process. Chapter 4. Embedded wiring that slashes costs 62%. This reduces wiring length by 62% and removes an entire manual installation phase that previously required technicians and inspections. As the aluminum cools, the wiring becomes integrated into the structural frame itself. Meanwhile, robotic arms can switch tooling heads in just 6 seconds, allowing 6 different Model 2 variants to move through the same production line without any downtime. The efficiency improvements are dramatic. Production cycle time reportedly fell to 3.9 hours compared to 10.5 hours on the 2025 Model Y line, a 63% reduction achieved through a complete redesign of the manufacturing process. Chapter 5. Cycle time slashed 63%. Massive efficiency gains. Automated torque verification reportedly removes 97% of variance-related defects. A redesigned electrolyte injection system simultaneously installs the cooling loop, eliminating an entire thermal assembly stage. Combined together, these improvements create 2.7 times more throughput than Tesla's 2025 Fremont production benchmark. If Tesla truly achieved this level of manufacturing advancement within just 18 months, while also scaling Cybertruck production, Starship operations, and Optimus development, it raises major questions about how far ahead the company may be compared to automakers still refining lithium-ion systems after more than a decade. Chapter 6. Why the $1,999 price may be real. Tesla's projected $1,999 battery price is reportedly based on deep structural cost reductions rather than temporary promotions. The economics begin with raw materials. Aluminum ore costs roughly $85 to $110 per metric ton, while lithium carbonate ranges between $11,000 and $23,000. That difference creates a major built-in cost advantage for aluminum-ion chemistry. Chapter 7. Aluminum versus lithium. The raw material advantage. Refining cathode-grade aluminum also requires around 40% fewer thermal processing steps than refining battery-grade lithium. Tesla's cathode blend allegedly removes 3 expensive additives, saving between $60 and $90 per battery pack before assembly even begins. The United States already produces over 900,000 metric tons of primary aluminum annually, making domestic sourcing far easier and less vulnerable to international supply disruptions. Tesla's strategy appears focused not only on lowering costs, but also on insulating production from geopolitical risks that frequently impact lithium-ion supply chains. The manufacturing process itself contributes additional savings. Traditional slurry coating systems typically require 5 to 7 production stations, while Tesla's dry process method uses only 2. Chapter 8. Dry Process Revolution Double Speed. Continuous flow electrolyte mixing reportedly boosts uptime from 68% to over 91%. Laser-printed circuitry cuts manual bonding requirements by 96%, reducing defective scrap rates by as much as 11%. Cell-to-act compression frames allow 3 battery pack sizes to be built, using the same tooling, lowering amortization expenses by roughly 30%. Tesla has also reportedly signed long-term agreements with U.S. aluminum recyclers, securing 140,000 tons of post-industrial scrap material annually, enough to support production of more than 3 million packs. Its Nevada facility allegedly recovers 78% of machining scrap compared to only 33% in conventional factories. Vertical integration further lowers costs by removing 6 to 8 markup layers, cutting expenses by an estimated 35% to 42%. Because aluminum-ion batteries avoid materials like cobalt, nickel, and lithium, they may also qualify for domestic manufacturing incentives worth $220 to $310 per pack. Additional operational efficiencies continue lowering costs. Autonomous transport shuttles reportedly reduce logistics expenses from $22 to under $9 per pack, while predictive defect mapping cuts failure rates from 2.8% to below 0.9%. Chapter 9. Cross-business cost sharing gives Tesla an edge. Universal cooling plates reportedly increase production output by 1.7 times, while reducing thermal management costs by $55 per unit. Assembly time is reportedly dropped from 38 minutes to just 21 minutes. Tesla's broader strategy may be even more difficult for competitors to counter. U.S. utilities are currently adding more than 15 gigawatt-hours of grid storage demand every year. By spreading factory costs across automotive batteries, residential energy storage, and commercial backup systems, Tesla can reportedly reduce automotive battery costs by an additional 12% to 18%. The same battery chemistry is expected to power the Model 2, Powerwall 2026, and Megapack Lite platforms, creating 3 separate revenue streams from one shared production system. Very few EV manufacturers currently have that level of vertical integration. Rather than optimizing one area, Tesla appears to have redesigned the entire value chain simultaneously: materials, processing, equipment, logistics, quality control, and market diversification. The result is a complete systems-level redesign executed with precise timing.